Dr. A. Velumani. Have you heard of his name? I'm sure most of us have not heard of this personality. Dr. A. Velumani is the founder of diagnostic lab chain Thyrocare. Thyrocare is a name that all of us know. All of us receive their promotional SMSs, and we know that it is a pathological lab with around 1100 odd outlets all over India. Now, this chain has been taken over. A controlling stake of 66% has been bought in Thyrocare by online pharmacy PharmEasy. Now, this stake of 66% has been purchased for a humongous sum of $1 billion. $1 billion, that is around 4,500 crore rupees. Why I thought of narrating this story today is the inspirational life journey of Dr. A. Velumani. It is a story of rags to riches. Let me narrate his lifespan, his life incidences to you to help you understand better where he was born, in what circumstances he took his education, and where he has reached today at the age of 62. Now, Dr. A. Velumani was born in 1959 in a small village near Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. He is one of the four siblings. Like, he has three more brothers and sisters, and his father had already given up on the family, saying that he will not be able to look after such a large family. Strange, isn't it? The mother took over the responsibility. She invested in 2 buffaloes, and with the milk that was sold off the buffaloes, the family she helped raise the family for 10 long years, till Dr. Velumani graduated. After he graduated in 1978, Dr. Velumani took up a job in a capsule manufacturing company in Tamil Nadu. Now, the salary was so small, he used to earn around 150 rupees in 1979. Of those 150 rupees, he used to send back 100 rupees to his parents so that his siblings and the parents could be looked after. He did that job for 4 odd years. After that, he applied for Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. When he got the call for the interview, he didn't even have the money to travel to Mumbai to appear for the interview. He had to loan it out and then go to Mumbai. He appeared for the interview, he got through, and he got a government job in BARC, a very comfortable government job in a government institute. Right? He worked there for 15 years. But looking around him, during this time of 15 years, he pursued his PhD in thyroid thyroid disease. Now, looking around him, when he used to observe people minting money by opening up pathology labs and diagnosing thyroid diseases, the thought came to him. Obviously, he was terrified with the current situation of his job, and he thought of leaving the job. Without giving it a second thought, in one day, he left his job at Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and with his provident fund of 2 lakh rupees, he set up Thyrocare Technologies in the year 1996. That was when he was 37 years of age. That was not too young, right? So he set up this diagnostic lab company, and in the year 2017, Thyrocare came up with an IPO where it raised 3,300 crore rupees. 4 years down the line, in 2021, Thyrocare was sold out to PharmEasy for a whopping 4,500 odd crore rupees. Velumani sir is still going to be a shareholder in Thyrocare, wherein he will earn dividend He has not decided whether he'll take up a management position in the new entity, in the bought up entity, but he will definitely be a shareholder in Thyrocare. And at the age of 62, with 150 rupees as salary, as his first salary in 1979, can you imagine the career graph? Can you imagine the growth that he has been able to achieve by taking calculated risk, by leaving his comfortable job in a government institute and setting up his own business? Can you see the amount of success? Can you see the success ladder that he has been able to go up and up, right? What can we learn from this? All that we can learn from this is, if you have sincerity, if you have dedication, and if you work hard, no one can stop you from achieving success, right? Hard work has no option. Sincerity, dedication, belief in yourself are all that are going to help you reach or climb that ladder of success, no matter what. It is never too late, it is never too early. The time is right when you think the time is right. To end this video, I want to quote Dr. Velumani sir himself. He in one of his, he is a motivational speaker as well. So in one of his dialogues, he has mentioned, no decision is a good decision. Take the decision and make it good. Do you understand? No decision can be a good decision unless you pour your heart in it, unless you pour your heart in making that decision a good one, which is good for you, which is good for your family, and which is good for the people around you. Correct? So keep this in mind, and I hope this story of Dr. A. Velumani inspires a few of you. It has inspired me, and we take our career paths, or we take our success stories to different levels through inspirations of such people who have grown from common people like us and made a difference in their lives and the lives of others. See you again. Thank you.